So girl, Melica Skylife in the building. Can't finish my intro.
Are you on my pizza? I'm going again.
You done know. It's a girl, Melica Skylife in the building.
Yeah!
I want the damn.
Early morning, cancel load.
Yo, when we got church, we still lit. Every day we lit. Yeah, so guys, today is Sunday, February 11. February 11, though. I think it's February 11. You mark the date this, so. Why you marking 14, so? Good morning. Good morning. Yes, so. We're on our way to church. Where you walk? But mommy there, she don't come up yet. On our way to church. The shop not open. Church.
Yo, video part them.
I'm a video part them. So good morning, Darwin. Morning. Morning, Skylife. You lame, so.
Yo, good morning, Skylife. Say it, no man.
Mm-hmm.
I'm church over 12 o'clock and 11:30 now.
So Sunday morning cooking Spanny Road.
Yeah.
Every Sunday thing.
Yeah.
The team. Advance. Kid. Come carry down a road now. So. Eh? Yo. So yeah guys, you know, I try to have church and God being consistent. Not try to. I make church and God consistent in my life. I didn't say keen. Consistent. Because you see, when you have this level of your life like in control, in my eyes, other things will fall into place. That's just what I believe. You don't have to believe what I believe, but I believe that God is God is the most important thing. You can have consistent in your life. Prayer key. Right? I don't know, I pray all the time. I can't walk and I pray right now. Prayer key. That help you build up your faith system, your belief system. You understand? So that's why I try to go to church consistently. I felt off. I fell off.
You sound like a...
I fell off going to church consistent, and after a while I'm in a turmoil, I feel away, you know. So church is very consistent for me. When I'm not in church, I don't feel good, because I don't believe that the world have anything else to offer me than what church have to offer me. You understand? Church I key. Yes. Damn! Who's that girl? That girl, Melica Skylife. You so cute. You so sexy. You so nice. I just wanted to say that. Yeah guys, so I just have church today. I'm gonna rest today because y'all know that I'm on the road like 6 days a week, right? But I have some stuff at home that I want to take care of. I also want to come home and do a video for you guys and a bag of things. So today is really a church home day. Relax myself because I have hectic weeks now and it's hard to balance everything. So why am I smiling like that? Yeah, it's hard to balance everything. So I try to rest as much on today. You know, watch my Netflix and chill. What I do, my divorce court. And my Steve Harvey and, you know, my Wendy Williams. I watch up doing something there. And, you know, do my thing. Ellen funny. But nobody can take Steve's space in my life. I'm going to meet Steve Harvey, you know. I'm going to find one show keep. And I go and show. I wonder if I in a Jersey. We need to find out because I have to go to Steve's show. Like I'm Steve's biggest fan. I love Steve Harvey. Love him. And stuff. I just start watch Divorce Court now. And Divorce Court teaches you a lot. And Judge Lynn, she's very funny and she give advice on point. You know, Maria Judge Lynn. And a bag of things. So guys, I'm gonna zoom out now. Talk to y'all later. Yeah, talk to y'all later. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscription button. Definitely show the love. Yo, I really want to hear from you. Yo, what so guys, I'm back home from church now. Great service and everything shut up and a bag of things. And I'm going to do a video for you guys. It's kind of a story time / informative video. I really wanted to do this video. I find myself a practice. I do it for a very long time. Very touchy topic for me, very personal topic as well. But I really want to share it with you guys to see if I can help one person, you know, some goal accomplished here. So because I believe through life experiences like that a person's like I believe through life experiences that a person goes through, it's really for you to give the knowledge to somebody so you can help them. You understand? Maybe encourage them, or maybe help them not to go in that direction, you know, or you know, just encouragement and a bag of things. So I'm gonna sit down and do the video now, and yeah, have a nice yo, you don't know it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo, what a damn gang in the building. Hi guys, today is February 12th 2018. I'm on my way. I'm gonna get some lunch. Girl, you're so beautiful. You should just be yourself. Nobody let you go. You ain't gotta be like anyone else. You're an exclusive girl. Up on next. There. Not too many like you in this world. Yeah guys, so what I'm about to do now is I'm at work now. I'm gonna go on the road and get some lunch, come back. After work I have school today, so I'm gonna go to school later on today. That's basically it, what I have planned for today. So go in town now, have lunch, come back to school. Yeah. I'm downtown now. I think I'm gonna get Sakura for lunch. Tamika want island grill. I'm gonna get island grill with her and Sakura for myself. Guys, say hi to the vlog. Guys, say hi to the vlog. Look clean for the camera the door. Okay, so I get a thing now. Match up the thing. Java, you want to try Jamaican chai tea? So, the Jamaican side, we are going the other side with fried rice and stuff. Java, no banana again. Line clear. So. Currently at Island Grill. Currently at Island Grill now. I'm gonna get the veggie stew peas for Tamika. Line along, so I get you in and out then. Like me next, practically. And people come in place here and they take a number, then recipe their number. But I'm gonna order now. What's up? Michael, tomorrow.
Why you have a video made?
You need to watch your face. Try to run around with me. I'm going to take out. Mr. Mara, I want him buy one. Michael buy one pipe cock and one. Why next something? I want female adapter tomorrow.
What am I gonna do?
Driver look frightening.
What am I gonna do? Female,
How would you like it if I do the things? Watch your face. Go on, I should love the camera. Watch out, watch it. Watch it. You're bright like. Bright.
I want to be on it.
Quality like this. Tamika, why we are much? What me I talk about? Why we are much?
I don't know, you probably peep into my window.
I catch up my ear, guys, because
sexy body.
I don't want to go on my face right now in the evening. Michael, you're not coming? Okay.
Walk your walk?
No, watch out. Yeah, cause school. No? You can? Yeah, I'm going home. No, I'm actually going to school now. And I myself want to go home, but I go to school. And I'm back. No, I'm here. Hold on. So guys, I am presently at Bashko. I'm gonna get another 1 gallon bottle. Why? Because mommy take over my bottle the other day. I left my bottle at the house, right? So I come back and I go to boom, put a bottle on my head. I goes, let me go because some, and then I'm gonna spit it out. Me say, so mommy went in my bottle. She was like, lemon water. Why mommy float my bottle? A lemon water and a drinky. I will tell her off, man. So I tell her to get her one for herself. So that's what I'm here to do. So now I get green. This is the green one. So I've been drinking like almost all of this for a day. Very hard, but I do it.
Ice can store that.
Ice, no, because it's not gonna go in the top. Because you have to screw the top. You have to choose one, like maybe this one, but it's not gonna stay long.
No more something to space it.
You forget what igloo type thing. Igloo type looking thing. So, you know, little igloo them where you don't carry on trip. You want me to help you? Yeah. Alright. So I'm helping someone now. That's a thermos, that's for tea.
Oh.
I'm helping someone to look for.
So them there what?
These are thermos.
All out there, so?
Yes, yes, up there is thermos. You don't know the small little igloos they hold by the handle.
Up there, so?
Yes, those are thermos.
So them can keep ice.
Those keep stuff hot.
So I love this for them.
Yes, down here. This is what you need, something like this. Or you can get a little bigger one. So one little smaller one here.
Bigger one.
The bigger one, something like this.
You don't want to really big like that.
What about this one? Oops.
That I do.
Yes, all of these here are igloos. This, and you have that one there, and you have this. What I think this is small. I don't know time. This is one good. That's a good size. That 1,300. But this we keep your fee. Yes.
And we can drink.
Yes, so it melt out. So that will do you. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, you're welcome.
And still prices on it.
Yeah, it's on 15% sale. Alright, so I'm gonna get this and head off to school. So I will talk to you guys about later.